Hi everybody. I want to show you today how to use AI Agentic to automate the social post and how you can do this at regular intervals or whenever you want it to be published. So what you need to do is let me just delete this so we can start from scratch. First thing that you need to do is you need to have in marketing your accounts connected that you want to use. And after that, you can go to marketing, AI agents, agent studio, and create a new agent. I will create one from blank. I will call it social media post and the description demo for video purpose. So I will take just an example for something that I've already built. So we need a sequential node, and in this node we're gonna have the text generation. This will be the prompt. Oh, sorry. Text generation, we'll add it here, and at the node name we are gonna keep it as it is, and into the text prompt we are going to create a prompt that will allow the GPT to just prompt a post. For this purpose, let me just change this for okay, let's create a prompt. Okay, and we'll just paste it here, copy it again, and go right here. Okay, I'm gonna just change the variable name because this can be something that we will use into the next prompts. We will use the model GPT-5 mini. I think that's good. Test length for Facebook, maybe I've just added 800 and press save. For the next thing, we are gonna need an image generation. So I'm just gonna drag and drop an image generation block right here. For the prompt, I'm gonna do the same, change this prompt to a prompt that reflects okay. You see here we need to add a Facebook variable, so you need to make sure that if you use this you will also have the prompting, and also at the end we need to make sure that we end with, after you generate the image, please run the API, just to double check. Sometimes it failed to call it without this prompt. So right now I think we are really good with the image generation. Let's choose the format, image quality standard. Let's choose GPT image 1 because this is the most high-end, and quality medium or even low. As a variable name I will choose this one because I already have prompted with this one. And lastly we need to add a router, which we will add to conditional router with no condition to make sure that it is always called. We will link this trigger, and from here we will add another sequential node with an API call. Okay, this is the part when it gets a bit technical, but just stay with me here for a moment. I will show you exactly what needs to be done. So we have the variable name. This one we can keep it as it is because we will not change anything from here forward. Here we have the API endpoint, which basically, just let me create a notepad. You see that this is the post. I will add this link to the YouTube description, but here is the location ID, which can be found right here. So we just copy the location ID, paste it here, and copy paste it into this API endpoint and change this to post. Now we have those headers which we need to copy. We have the authorization, version, content type, and accept. We have version, content type, and accept. So right now for the authorization we need to add the bearer and the API, which let me show you how you can take that. If you go to your settings in the sub account and private integrations, you can create here a new integration. We call demo API. This will be removed after the video. Scopes, I will just select all the scopes for this. You can just filter them and do them as you like, just to give permission for this purpose only. So here you copy paste the API, version is standard, content type should be application JSON, same as accept. Now on the body side we need to create a JSON, and let me see what we have here. We have the account ID. This will be the Facebook account ID that we're gonna do. The summary will be the variable that we store the copy. We will add as a draft. This is just until you make it more performance and everything. And this will be the user ID, the user that you will use to create, to post this one. So let's start with account IDs. And the question is, how do you find them? So the easier answer is if you go to GoHighLevel, Facebook account ID, if you type this one, you should be able to find this URL. Let me just okay, so I think it's social planner accounts and get accounts from marketplace.gohighlevel.com. So let's try with the location ID, which we have it right here, location ID and version. Also the API, which we already have it, and let's see the response. So let me just copy this and move it into this notepad. So as you can see right now, I have all of my accounts, account ID and everything. So I will just, for make it a bit simplified, okay, this is Facebook, this is Instagram. I need a Facebook one, so I will just copy this one from right here, and I will just remove the second one. This is if you want more accounts, but right now in my case I will use just this one. So user ID, this one needs to be a user that it's So what I did, okay, this is always on top. Let me just minimize it. Okay, so if you go here, you can create a new contact, and let's call it add contact social media post. We will add social.media.com and save, and we will take this user ID and we will paste it here. We will copy this JSON, minimize this, and paste it right here, and we will save it. Okay, this should be pretty much done. What we need to do right now is to have the start trigger, and how I managed to make it work automatically is by creating a lead tag. Use this one and go to the social media post and tags here, and I will add this tag social media deployed. I will create this tag and will remove it just to be available here. This one I will save and I will refresh it, so just for the data to be fetched. So right now I will go to start trigger, lead tag, social media deployed, and save. So right now this workflow will start only when this tag will be added. Okay, now how we will do this trigger. I've managed to make an automation. I will create from scratch a workflow, and I will leave trigger blank. I will wait here 5 minutes, and I will then add the tag. So I think you already see where I'm heading. So if I want wait 5 minutes, and right here I will remove this tag. And if I want, let's say, to draft once a week, I will add here wait 7 days, or however you want. And then I will do a go to. I will save this action and we'll start from here. So I think you already now see the overview of what it looks like. I will just add the contact here, auto social post. I will just add the contact into this workflow, and then I will trigger the social media post. I will remove the tag, and then in 1 week it will reloop. So let's just test it. So this tag is added. Let me move it to production. It's published, and now let's just move the contact that I've just created into the automation that I built. Start automation. So let's see what it does. Right now I will go to automation, auto social media loop, and I will just move this to the next step. The tag has been added. Now let's wait a bit and see if this will get triggered. Okay, so it got created. What would you do with 10 extra hours weekly? So as you can see, it just created a post. This can be improved or whatever you want. You can make it to publish anytime. And now if we refresh this automation, you will see that it will just loop entirely and will work without your touch. So this is my solution that I've worked on, and let me know your thoughts. Thank you.